If you're a busy professional trying to lose weight, you know the struggle. Long hours, no energy, and zero time to cook. You get home exhausted, so you reach for takeaway or freezer meals. It's a cycle that leaves you frustrated and further from your goals. But what if you could prep a week's worth of healthy, delicious meals with minimal effort? Today, I'll show you how to take back control of your diet with 4 powerful, foolproof recipes designed for your lifestyle. These aren't bland diet meals. They're vibrant, satisfying, and will help you shed pounds while saving time. Grab a notepad. Your meal prep is about to get a serious upgrade. Let's get started. First up, the Lemon Herb Chicken Power Bowl, your new go-to work lunch. Forget soggy shop salads. This is clean, vibrant, and packed with protein to power you through the day. We're keeping it simple: lean chicken breast, olive oil, lemon zest, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Sear the chicken in a hot pan for a golden crust, then let it rest to keep it juicy. While it rests, build your base fluffy quinoa for sustained energy. Add a rainbow of raw veggies: cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and crisp lettuce. Make a quick dressing: lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Whisk and set aside. Slice the rested chicken and layer it over your quinoa and veggies. This isn't just food in a box, it's a meal you'll look forward to. You get lean protein, complex carbs, healthy fats, and a vitamin boost, all in one bowl. Line up your containers, portion everything out, and you've got lunches for the week in less time than it takes to order delivery. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be done right. When lunchtime hits, drizzle on your dressing and enjoy a meal that fuels your body and mind. No more stress, no more guilt, just pure, delicious fuel. The Lemon Herb Chicken Power Bowl, simple, elegant, and effective. This is your first step to reclaiming your lunch break and your health. Eating well is about smart choices, not sacrifice. You're in control now. Make this bowl, and you'll never look at meal prep the same way again. It's vibrant, filling, and perfectly aligned with your goals. No more boring lunches, just real food, made easy. Prep once, eat well all week. That's how you win at weight loss. Beautiful. Next, let's make an Asian-style sesame protein stir. Fast, flavorful, and perfect for meal prep. Use lean beef, chicken, or tofu. Today, I'm using sirloin. Prep everything before you start. Broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, all cut evenly for quick, even cooking. The sauce is simple: low-sodium soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, ginger, and garlic. Heat your wok, add oil, and sear the beef in batches. Don't crowd the pan. Remove the beef, then stir-fry the veggies until just tender crisp. Return the beef, pour in the sauce, and toss everything together for a glossy, aromatic finish. The whole stir-fry takes under 5 minutes in the wok. Portion into containers. Serve as is for low carb, or add brown rice or cauliflower rice. The sauce keeps everything moist and flavorful, even after reheating. This dish is high in protein, loaded with veggies, and low in sugar and unhealthy fats. It's fast food, but it's good food. When you reheat it at work, it stays fresh and vibrant. No soggy veggies, no bland taste, just bold, satisfying flavor. Healthy eating can be exciting and full of variety. The Asian-style sesame protein stir proves it. Prep it, pack it, and enjoy a delicious lunch all week. No more boring meals, just real, nourishing food. You deserve it. Make this once, and you'll crave it again and again. Stunning. Now, let's tackle breakfast, or a light dinner, with the Mediterranean egg and veggie box. We're making mini frittatas, whisk eggs, season, and add spinach, feta, sun-dried tomatoes, and oregano. Pour into a muffin tin, bake until set and golden. While they bake, prep fresh cucumber and cherry tomatoes for crunch and freshness. Add olives and a dollop of hummus for healthy fats and classic Mediterranean flavor. Assemble 2 or 3 egg muffins, veggies, olives, and hummus in each container. It's a protein powerhouse that keeps you full and focused. The veggies add fiber and vitamins. The hummus and olives bring healthy fats, perfect for grab-and-go breakfasts, light lunches, or snacks. No fuss, just open and enjoy. The Mediterranean egg and veggie box is proof that simple can be delicious. Use good ingredients, prep smart, and you'll set yourself up for success. This is how you start your day right, or end it if you need a quick dinner. Balanced, satisfying, and ready in minutes. No more skipping meals or grabbing junk food, just real nutrition, made easy. Absolutely beautiful. For those days when you have zero time to cook, meet the no-cook protein lunchbox. It's your emergency plan. No heat, no excuses. Just assemble high-quality, ready-to-eat ingredients. Start with a protein deli turkey, canned tuna, or smoked salmon. Today, it's smoked turkey. Add a hard-boiled egg. Prep a batch at the start of the week. Include a mini block of cheese or cheese sticks for healthy fats and satisfaction. For veggies, use baby carrots, celery sticks, and mini bell peppers. Just wash and pack. Add a small portion of fruit, grapes, apple slices, or berries. Finish with a handful of nuts or seeds for crunch and lasting fullness. Arrange everything neatly in your container, like a bento box. In minutes, you have a balanced meal protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a touch of sweetness. Keep these ingredients on hand and you'll never need to grab unhealthy food again. This box is your safety net for the busiest days. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, it's about smart assembly. The no-cook protein lunchbox is your get-out-of-jail-free card. Simple, effective, and ready in minutes. Prep it, pack it, and you're set for anything. No cooking required. Done. There you have it. 4 delicious slimming meal prep ideas for busy professionals: lemon herb chicken power bowl, Asian-style sesame stir, Mediterranean egg box, and the no-cook protein lunch box. Prep these and you'll conquer your week, stay on track, and actually enjoy your food. No more excuses. The power is in your hands. Take an hour or two to prep and transform your week. This isn't a diet, it's a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that fits your schedule. Like, subscribe, and join us for more fast, healthy meals. Now get in the kitchen and make it happen. You've got this.